Hi, I'm Mark Robinson, Program Director here at Boston Whaler. Here we are on the all-new 210 Vantage. This boat brings everything that is Vantage down to 21 feet and creates a great entry point into a Boston Whaler dual console. Here at the back of the boat, we've got a spacious stern deck. Large platforms off the back allow easy access to the water or great boarding from a dock. On the starboard side, there's a swim ladder that pulls out easily. You've got access to your fuel fill, your freshwater fill, rod holders across the middle, a cup holder for either passenger. And speaking of passengers, there's great seats on both sides. It's an excellent place to be while the boat's underway. There's two batteries under the port seat, one for the engine and one for the house battery, ensuring you've always got plenty of power. The 210 Vantage is powered by Mercury outboards, ranging from 200 to 250 horsepower. All engines are available in white and black. The 21 Vantage cockpit's a great place to be. You're going to be surprised with just how much room there is to move around in a 21-foot boat. Besides the room, you've got these great high gunnels to provide safety and security. Grab rails on either side. In front of and behind the grab rails, there's a rod holder on either side. And for your nighttime navigation, this is where your all-around light will plug in. It's a self-draining cockpit, so there's large deck drains on either side. On the back wall is a freshwater pull-out to spray yourself off after you come out of the water. Courtesy lights and JL audio speakers on either side. Moving forward from the cockpit, you'll see that this boat's nicely equipped with the port lounge. The lounge gives you great seating forward, aft, and you can set this all the way down to create a really comfortable sun pad. It's a great place to sit while you're on the boat. In the back, you've got a live well, keeps your bait alive all day long, or if you're not fishing, it's insulated and makes a great cooler. On the front side, you flip up this seat, and there's a lot of storage inside of it. People seated in the port lounge have a variety of places to store their drinks. You'll find several cup holders back here, in here in the pocket, and one up here. The port console has a nice fiberglass door. It's lockable and gasketed to keep everything inside of it nice and dry. You open up the door, and inside is access to a large space that's got your optional head, storage for your cockpit table, and place to keep anything out of the weather. For sun protection, the boat can be equipped with a bimini top that plugs in here. It's available in either blue or black. The Helm on the 210 Vantage provides a really great place to run the boat and feels like a much bigger boat. You've got this comfortable helm seat that's adjustable up and down, slides forward and back, and can swivel. In addition, this bolster flips up and down so you can run the boat either seated or standing. In front of you is a stainless steel steering wheel with a knob. It tilts up and down, and in front of you is Simrad electronics available in either 9 or 12 inches. Here's your JL audio head unit, and below it are gauges to monitor all your engine data. Right off to the side is the control for your Mercury outboard. In front of you are switches to control all of the circuits on board the boat, 2 cup holders, and a great chuck space for your cell phone or wallet that you brought on board. Trim tabs and a Simrad VHF round out the package. The 210 Vantage has a really nice tempered glass windshield and a wind block-off door. This provides protection from both the wind and the elements while you're running the boat. For easy access to the bow, the wind door stows away, and you can fold the center windshield pane right out of the way. As you can see, it's a really nice system that provides protection for you and your guests. Additionally, in the walkway, there's an access behind the wind dam door that gets into the starboard console. Great access to the backside and for loading large items while the windshield's in its deployed position. In front of that is this very convenient trash chute. There's a 5-gallon bucket inside of there, and you can throw small items through here without having to open the front seat. The bow of the 21 Vantage is really a comfortable place to ride. You're going to be surprised by how much room there truly is on this boat. 2 adults can easily sit in the lounge, plenty of space for your feet while facing forward, or if you put the table up in the middle, multiple people can sit around and have a conversation. Under the starboard side, there's great access to the storage in the starboard console. You can access your 5-gallon bucket, Your tow pylon goes in here. There's storage in here to lock your rods up if you need to, and any other large items you choose to bring with you on the boat. On the port side of the boat, you can lift up this lid. It provides you more great storage. Working your way forward, you've got grab handles, cup holders, cleats to tie the boat off, and a nice anchor locker that was well thought through. Thanks for joining us today to walk through the all-new 210 Vantage. Come see one for yourself, and I think you'll be surprised to see how much we fit into a 21-foot boat and how well this brings everything that is Vantage into a 21-foot platform. For more information, visit us at bostonwhaler.com.